Hello friends, welcome to the Intron YouTube channel and learning session of learning Python with the Intron. So in this video we will see how we can take the input from the user in the Python. So for that we have a basic function called as the input in Python. So now we are taking an input. We should store it in particular variable. So I am declaring here one variable called as var. So as we know in Python there is no need to mention the data type. So we are continuing with our program. Now let's give the input as an 10. Now let's check our output whether it is giving correct or not. So where? So here is our output. What if in the case if you want to give a particular message while taking the input? So here I am defining one more type of variable op. Op is equal to input. In an input function you can pass any message you want to display. Now here I am passing messages. Enter the number. So now it's asking us to enter the number. I have entered here 20 and now let's check our output. I'm giving a print command, print op. So here is our output. What in the case if you want to take in multiple values in a single line? So here I am declaring two variables called as var1 and var2 is equal to, we want to take an input. So now here while taking the multiple inputs you should use a split function. We are using a split function. Now let's run our program. So let's enter the value of the var1, that is 10. So now you should not press an enter key. If you will press an enter key it will give you an error. Instead of that you should use an space key. I am using here space to enter the second value. The second value I have entered is 20. Now let's check our output. Print value is value of var1. We should use it in this way, var1 again comma, and var2 is, you should again give a variable name var2. So you can see here is our output. Value of var1 is 10 and value of var2 is 20. So here we have seen how we can take the multiple inputs. So again I am giving var1. So now let's take one more time input as var1 comma var2 equal to input dot split. So here I am giving value for the var1 space value for the var2. So how we can print this in different manner? So print we can use, and if you don't want to use like this method, like if firstly you are giving some kind of string here, again you are passing the variable, again string, again variable, you can directly give string as value of var1 is instant of the variable you can give here and curly braces, opening and closing curly braces, and var2 is again opening and curly braces instant of the variables. Now you have to use your dot in format function, and you should pass an value. So now let's end this string here, format of var1 comma var2. So slight mistake we have made here. Closing. So here you can check value of var1 is 10 and var2 is 20. So in this way we can take the single input and multiple input and we can print it in different manners. Thank you.